Hey everybody, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes Bath Company and also of Bubble Babes University. Today we are making bath bombs, and if you would like to get the recipe, it will be down below in the description box. I'm making bath bombs inspired by the series House of the Dragon. This is going to be an exclusive release on my website, bubblebabes.com. It will include 3 jumbo bath bombs. I'll have 2 options. You can purchase it in a collector's crate, or you can order it in just the regular gift box. Either way, it is going to be the perfect gift set for a Game of Thrones, House of the Dragon bath lover. We will have pre-orders on my website beginning on Monday, 11/14. And if you are interested, I will have all of the information below in the description box so that you can just jump right on and grab your set. There's going to be a limited quantity, and I'm not sure if we're going to make them again. So when they're gone right now, they are gone. Please follow me on all social media and you will be able to see the sneak peeks of what actually is going into this bath bomb set. You are going to absolutely love it. Again, all of the information of all the things that I'm using in this video will be posted down below. I will also be sharing where I got the bath bomb mold from. And if you're interested in learning how I made the embeds, please let me know in the comments below and I will definitely do a video on how to make bath bomb embeds. We have gotten so far into the video, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when we upload another video or when we go live. And you guys, if you've been here for a second, you know that we go live every single morning for Coffee with Nikki, your daily cup of information and inspiration. And of course, I want you guys to share this video and tell all your friends about it and tell them, come on over here to this channel because it's popping. So at this point, I spoke all through this video, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you would like to make these bath bombs, all of the information will be down in the description box below. If you would like to purchase the gift set, it is also going to be down in the description box below. And if you know any Game of Thrones, House of Dragons fans that will actually love this gift set, please share this video with them, or actually share the link if you can. I would definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you. Have an amazing day. I will see you on Monday morning for Coffee with Nikki. One more thing, I'm going to be doing a separate video showing you how to airbrush bath bombs without using the airbrush machine. I'm going to show you how to do it with a spray bottle. So if you would like to see that video, stay tuned. That's coming up probably a couple of days from now. But again, thank you so much for watching. And if you make these bath bombs, let me know and let me know how you love them. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah.